Okay, I have a club here with a cruciform lock in it. You can see it unlocked. There we go. Okay. So, you want to adjust this nut so that the teeth of the tension wrench do not touch the first set of pin stacks. Fucking mat sliding all over the place. Okay, there we go. Open. There it is. Picked open. The barrel is spring loaded, so it returns to the lock position. However, you can go ahead and reattach these and they will go in and automatically lock themselves. I'll show you that does work with the key. Anyways, these are the KLOM cross picks. I'm demoing these for my sponsor uklockpickers. Thanks for those. As you can see, they work great. That's the smallest one there in action. So go ahead and rate the video. And as always, peace. Don't break the law. Have fun. Until next time.